Exercise 3.6, the first problem, 1 by 2x plus 1 by 3y is equals to 2, 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2y is equals to 13 by 6. So regarding this concept already I explained in the previous video. Once you can go through that video if you didn't watch that. So now already I said we should separate the coefficient part and the variable part. The first step we need to do that. 1 by 3 into 1 by x plus 1 by 2 into 1 by y is equals to 13 by 6. Now replace the variable part with other variable. So 1 by x is equals to a, 1 by y is equals to b. So we can rewrite the above equations like this. We can rewrite the above equations as 1 by 2 times of a plus 1 by 3 times of b is equals to 2, 1 by 3 times of a plus 1 by 2 times of b equals to 13 by 6. So this one we can write as, so if you took LCM 3 and 2 LCM is 6, and this one 3a plus 2b is equals to 2. 2a plus 3b by 6 is equals to 13 by 6. So now the above equations we can write as 3a plus 2b is equals to 12, 2a plus 3b is equals to 13. Why? Because 13 by 6 into 6, 6 will get cancelled. Suppose let it be 1 and let it be 2. So now choosing the elimination method. Equation 1 into 2, equation 2 into 3, multiplying with the a coefficient. First one with 2, 2 3s are 6a plus 4b equals to 24. Next one with 3, 6a plus 9b is equals to 39. If you go with the subtraction, this symbol should be neglected. This is minus 5b is equals to minus 15. So b is equals to 3. So b value is 3. We know that 2a plus 3b is equals to 13. 2a plus 3 into 3 equals to 13. 2a is equals to 13 minus 9. A is equals to 4 by 2 equals to 2. So a is equals to 2. So but we need to find out here x and y values. We know that a is equals to 1 by x. So by that we can write x is equals to 1 by a, that is equals to 1 by 2. Similarly, b is equals to 1 by y. By this we can write y is equals to 1 by b, that is equals to 1 by 3. So therefore finally x comma y equals to 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. So this is the solution. Second question, 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equals to 2 and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equals to minus 1. We know that it is not in the form of linear equations, but by making suitable substitutions we can convert into linear equation. So the first step in solving this type of equations, I said you should write the coefficient and the variable part separately. 2 into 1 by x and 3 into 1 by root y is equals to 2, and here 4 into 1 by root x minus 9 into 1 by root y is equals to minus 1. So if you practice this without any mistakes, we can do that. Let 1 by root x is equals to a and 1 by root y is equals to b. Assume this as a 1. 2a plus 3b is equals to 2. This will be 4a minus 9b is equals to minus 1. So this is, let it equation 2, and this may be 3. Now use the elimination method, it will be easy. So I will multiply equation 2 with 2 and equation 3 with 1. So as I already said, our aim is to make the coefficient equal. If you multiply this 2 with 2, then obviously the coefficients will become equal. So no need to multiply with each other coefficients. So this method also I already explained. So with 2 means 4a plus 6b is equals to 4. 4a minus 9b equals to minus 1. Minus, this will be plus, this will be plus. So these symbols should not be considered. This eliminates. 9 plus 6, 15b, and this is 5. b is equals to 5 by 15, that equals to 1 by 3. So b is equals to 1 by 3. So let it be 4. Now, so we know that 2a plus 3b is equals to 2. So 2a plus 3 into 1 by 3 by 2. So replacing the b value. So 2a is equals to 2 minus 1. Why? Because here 3 cancel. So 1 will be there, 1 will transpose. We will get like this. So 2a is equals to 1 and a is equals to 1 by 2. Let it be 5. From 1 we can write a is equals to 1 by root x. 1 by root x, that implies a means we can write 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by root x. So that implies root x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 4. So similarly b is equals to 1 by root y. So that implies b value already we got 1 by root 3. So 3 is equals to root y. This is nothing but y is equals to 3 square, that equals to 9. So therefore x comma y equals to 4 comma 9. This is the solution. The third question given as 4 by x plus 3y is equals to 14. 3 by x minus 4y equals to 23. So we can write this one as 4 into 1 by x plus 3y equals to 14 and 3 into 1 by x minus 4y is equals to 23. So let 1 by x be some a. No need to replace y. So suppose if it is 1, then we can write this one as above things. 4a plus 3y is equals to 14. 3a minus 4y is equals to 23. Let it be 2 and this can be 3. So go with the elimination method. So equation 2 should be multiplied with 3 and 3 should be multiplied with 4. That results 4 3s 12a plus 9y is equals to 42. With 4 means 12a minus 16y. So with 4 means 92. So minus, this minus should be changed to plus, this is minus, this will eliminate. This is 25y is equals to minus 50. So y is equals to minus 2. So let it be 4. Now we know that 3a minus 4y is equals to 23. 3a minus 4 into minus 2 is equals to 23. 3a plus 8 is equals to 23. 3a is equals to 23 minus 8, that equals to 15. So a is equals to 15 by 3, that is equals to 5. So finally a is equals to 5. So let it be equation 5. Now, so already we have discussed many times, we need to find out the x and y values. So from 1, what we can write, 1 by x is equals to a. So that means 1 by a is equals to x. So x is equals to 1 by 5. And from 4 already we got y is equals to minus 2. So x comma y is equals to 1 by 5 comma minus 2. This is the solution. Fourth question, they given 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equals to 2 and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equals to 1. So you know that you should write as 5 into 1 by x minus 1 and 1 into 1 by y minus 2. So coefficient into the variable part. Here 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 equals to 1. Let 1 upon x minus 1 is equals to a, 1 upon y minus 2 equals to b. So therefore we can rewrite these equations as 5a plus b is equals to 2, and let it be 1, and here 6a minus 3b is equals to 1, let it be 2. So go with the elimination method. So equation 1 should be multiplied with 3. Here I am making b coefficients equal because the values are smaller. If you go with way 5 and 6, so it takes time. So equation 2 should be multiplied with 1, then with 3. 15a plus 3b is equals to 6. Here 6a minus 3b equals to 1. 3b plus 3b minus 3b. Eliminate 15 plus 6. 21a equals to 7. A is equals to 7 upon 21 equals to 1 by 3. So A is equals to 1 by 3. Let it be 3. So we know that 6a minus 3b equals to 1. So 6 into 1 by 3 minus 3b equals to 1. 3 ones, 3 twos. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 3b. So 1 is equals to 3b, that implies b is equals to 1 by 3. So here a and b values we got same. Now we need to find out actually x and y values. So we know that a is equals to 1 by x minus 1. So that implies 1 by 3 is equals to 1 by x minus 1. So x minus 1 is equals to 3, x is equals to 4. Also b is equals to 1 by y minus 2. That implies b means 1 by 3 by y minus 2. So y minus 2 is equals to 3 and cross multiplication. Y is equals to 3 plus 2, 5. Therefore finally x comma y is 4 comma 5. This is the solution. Fifth question, given that 7x minus 2y by xy is equals to 5, 8x plus 7y by xy is equals to 5. So I will explain in a simple method this type of questions. So we can write this one as 7x minus 2y is equals to 5xy, and let it be 1. So 8x plus 7y is equals to 15xy, let it be 2. So now as usual elimination method, equation 1 should be multiplied with 7. Y coefficients I will make equal. Equation 2 with 2. So this is 49x minus 14y is equals to 35xy. So here 2 means 16x plus 14y equals to 30xy. So since minus and plus, so without changing the symbols itself, they will cancel. 49 plus 16, that is 65x is equals to 65xy. So here we can write 1 is equals to 65xy by 65x, transposing the total term. 65 cancel, then that implies y is equals to 1. Now we know that 7x minus 2y is equals to 5xy. Assume this as 3. Now from 3, what we can write? 7x minus 2 into 1 is equals to 5x into 1. So 7x minus 2 is equals to 5x. 7x minus 5x is equals to 2. 2x is equals to 2. That implies x is equals to 1. So directly you got the values x comma y, 1 comma 1. So this is the solution. Sixth question, given 6x plus 3y is equals to 6xy, 2x plus 4y is equals to 5xy. Let it will be equation 1 and equation 2. So here I want to eliminate this x term, so that equation 1 can be multiplied with 1 only. Equation 2, if I multiply with 3, I will get 6x here. Then no need to multiply with any other non-zero constant. So the first equation, if you multiply with 1, that is enough. So 6x plus 3y is equals to 6xy. 2 with 3 means 6x plus 12y is equals to 15xy. So since both are having same symbols, you need to change the symbols. That is means subtraction. So this is minus 9y is equals to minus 9xy. So minus minus elements 9y is equals to 9xy. So even you can write here this one as 1 is equals to 9xy by 9y. 9y. So finally x is equals to 1. Let it be 3. So we know that 2x plus 4y is equals to 5xy. From 3 we can write 2 into 1 plus 4y is equals to 5 into 1 plus y. So 2 plus 4y is equals to 5y. So 2 is equals to 5y minus 4y. So 2 is equals to y. That implies y is equals to 2. Finally, the solution x comma y is equals to 1 comma 2. Seventh question, 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equals to 4. 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y is equals to minus 2. So as usual, first coefficient into variable part, x plus y plus 2 times of 1 by x minus y is equals to 4. 15 into 1 plus x plus y minus 5 into 1 by x minus y equals to minus 2. So let 1 by x plus y is equals to a and 1 by x minus y equals to b. Consider this as equation 1. So now rewriting, we can get 10a plus 2b equals to 4 and 15a minus 5b equals to minus 2. If it is 2 and 3, go with the elimination method, making the b coefficients equal. 2 should be multiplied with 5, 3 should be multiplied with 2. Then you will get with 5 means 50a plus 10b is equals to 20, and with 2 means 30a minus 10 minus 4. So since the symbols are opposite here, it will eliminate. So 80a is equals to 16. A is equals to 16 by 80, that is equals to 1 by 5. So a we can write as 1 by 5. Now suppose let it be 4. So already we know that 10a plus 2b equals to 4. So from 4 we can write 10 into 1 by 5 plus 2b is equals to 4. This is 2, 5 2's. So 2 plus 2b is equals to 4. 2b is equals to 4 minus 2. So b is equals to 2 by 2 equals to 1. So b is equals to 1. Let it be 5. So from 1, what we can write? 1 by x plus y is equals to a. So 1 by x plus y is equals to 1 by 5. This is from 4. So that implies x plus y is equals to 5. And let it be some 6. And 1 by x minus y is equals to b. 1 by x minus y is equals to 1. This is from 5. Why? Because from 5 we got the b value. So x minus y is equals to 1. And from here we can write x is equals to 1 plus 5. Let it be 7. Now consider equation 6. So x plus y is equals to 5. So from 7 what we can write? X means 1 plus y is equals to 5. 2y is equals to 5 minus 1, that is equals to 4. So finally y is equals to 4 by 2, that is 2. And x is equals to 1 plus 5, that is 1 plus 2. X is equals to 3. So finally x comma y equals to 3 comma 2. That is the solution. Eighth question, given that 1 by 3x plus 5 plus 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 3 by 4. 1 by 2 times of 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 times of 3x minus y is equals to minus 1 by 8. So now let assume 3x plus y as a, 1 by 3x minus y as b. Suppose let it be 1. Now we can write this one as a plus b is equals to 3 by 4. And see this one, this is 1 by 2 times of actually 1 by 3x plus y. The total value considered as a. So a minus 1 by 2 times of b is equals to minus 1 by 8. So a plus b is equals to 3 by 4. This one a minus b is equals to minus 1 by 8 into 2, that is equals to minus 1 by 4. This can be as 2, equation 3. So now solving 2 and 3, what will get? A plus b is equals to 3 by 4. A minus b is equals to minus 1 by 4. If you add this, 2a is equals to 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4, because we are not changing the symbols. This is 3 minus 1 by 4. 2a is equals to 2 by 4. So equals to 1 by 2. Then a is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. This 2 transpose to this side, equals to 1 by 4. So therefore a is equals to 1 by 4. Let it be 4. So we know that a plus b equals to 3 by 4. So b is equals to 3 by 4 minus a. That is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So b is equals to 3 minus 1 by 4. 2 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. So finally b is equals to 1 by 2. Let it be 5. So now a is equals to, from 4, a is equals to 1 by 4. But from 1, what we can write? 1 by 3x plus y is equals to 4. This is from 1. And 3x plus y is equals to 4. That is, we can write y is equals to 4 minus 3x. That will be 6. Now from 5, b is equals to 1 by 2. So that means 1 by 3x minus y is equals to 1 by 2. So from 1 we are taking, because from 1 we can say b is equals to 1 by 3x minus y. So this is 3x minus y is equals to 2, and already from 6 we can say 3x minus of y means 4 minus 3x equals to 2. So 3x minus 4 plus 3x is equals to 2. 6x is equals to 2 plus 4, and x is equals to 1. We got the x value as 1. Now we can find out y value. Here I am writing, this is a continuation. So y is equals to, from 6, y is equals to 4 minus 3x. So from 6, so y is equals to 4 minus x value already got as 1. So y is equals to 4 minus 3, y is equals to 1. Therefore x comma y equals to 1 comma 1. That is the solution.